Hello everyone, so today we're going to make a statement of changes in equity. But before that, you need to memorize this pro forma formula to make the statement of changes in equity. So the first thing that you need to take note is that we begin with the capital beginning or the beginning capital. And then we add any additional investment and then deduct the drawings or withdrawals, and then we add profit for that year or deduct any losses. So it's either a profit or loss for that year, and then we can now get the capital ending. Okay, so for your final answer you need to double rule, but for this one we don't have the amounts yet, so I'll just show you for the label how to double rule. So you put double line under your amount. Since we don't have any amounts here, I just showed you a double rule for the label. So now let's go to solving this problem. Let me read first the problem. The owner's equity of Boy Astig Laundry Shop has a balance of 90,000 on January 1, 20x1. Transactions affecting equity during 20x1 are as follows. Letter A, Mr. Astig, the sole proprietor, provided additional investment of 180,000 to the business. And letter B, Mr. Astig's drawings during the period totaled 70,000. And letter C, the business earned profit of 220,000 pesos. Requirement, prepare the statement of changes in equity. So here you can write or we can identify that 90,000 pesos is our beginning balance because it is dated January 1, 20x1. So usually the beginning balance would be dated January 1, 20x1 if it's a calendar or if the business uses calendar period. Okay? And for letter A, we have 180,000 additional investment. Okay? And letter B, we have drawings or withdrawals of 70,000. And letter C, the business earned a profit of 220,000, which will increase our capital balance. So let's now make the statement of changes in equity. The first thing that we need to write is the header. Don't forget to write or include your header. For the first line of the header, we put the name of the business, which is Boy Astig Laundry Shop. And then the second line would be the name of the statement, which is Statement of Changes in Equity. And then for the third line, we need to write what period the financial statement covered. So for the period ended December 31, 20x1. Okay, just like the pro forma that we wrote a while ago, you need to begin with the beginning balance. So for this time, we'll write Astig capital balance. Capital balance. Astig capital or the beginning capital. Beginning. Okay, which is 90,000. Okay, don't forget to write your peso sign. And then we'll add the additional investment from letter A, which is 180,000. For letter B, we have the drawings. We'll deduct it because withdrawals, again, are deductions sa ating capital. So drawings, 70,000. And then we add profit, or the profit for that year, which is 220,000. So we can now get the astig capital ending, which is beginning plus additional investment minus the drawings, and then add the profit. We have 420,000 pesos. Okay, don't forget to double rule and put a peso sign. Okay, I'll just put it in bold. So this is how we make the statement of changes in equity.